This is a demo of ByteArbor tutor marketplace template. When you log in to the admin, you can see tree of content on the left. The main content is home. So when you click home, you can manage content of the homepage, change widgets, the texts, add categories, um, manage products that are displayed on the homepage. Also, this content node has general site settings which you can manage, like logos, footers, site name, a navigation menu on top. Also, home content node has ability to enable or disable particular marketplace features, like for example booking per day or per hour and so on. Additionally, you've got email templates, which are email notifications sent on particular events, like booking a lesson, like confirming a lesson, and so on. And then integrated services like SMTP, Stripe, Google services, scripts, which can be added to all pages of the website, and so on. You can also set here the percent commission, and if the website has a paid subscription, monthly or yearly, it can also be set up from here. Now, additionally, under the home node, you can create multiple content pages, which are, for example, privacy, support, terms, and so on. And you have an HTML editor, which allows to manage this content and create a new page or edit existing. Also, there is a contact us form, which is a form that you can update, and then your users can contact through the form. You have all the entries in the CMS, who contacted and when. Now, going to the rest of the content, we've got a blog. So you can actually create multiple articles under your blog with a similar structure. So there is a picture of the article, text, and which is also using the editor, and then tags, and so on. Each article has its own page. Now we're going to tutor data. So there is a tutors node which contains all the tutors that are present on the platform. So you can actually manage all their data from here, as well as confirm newly registered tutors from here. So each of the tutors has its own page, so you can manage their page, the information that goes to their page, and then the address information, see which users are connected to that vendor, are they premium, and so on. See if they got a Stripe Connect account and also Google account to have Google Meets. When you expand, there is additional information which can be also managed, which dates they are available at, which times they are available at, also their reviews, if they got some reviews from buyers who use their lessons, and then what kind of characteristics do their services have, meaning do they tutor a particular subject or maybe a language. So this can be connected from here. This list is also manageable from admin. and it can be dynamic. Now, this is additional information that is used on vendor page also, and price, of course. So the prices are hourly, and the total is calculated based on the hourly rate that a vendor tutor has set. The last one is categories. The categories we saw are manageable here on the categories node. They are grouped. So there is a main group which links categories together, and you can specify how they are displayed on the front end, and if they are visible on search or only in tutor account and their page. Then, of course, you can manage and add additional criteria to that group. Each category or criteria has help text. It can be also hidden from search page and can be shown only on tutor profile. You can add an icon and so on. Also, this is a quick way to show how to add new items. So as you right click a node, you can create a new item. In our case, it's a new criterion, which will be added to subjects dot. Then all the users or members of the platform are managed from this menu. So here we have two groups. One group of members is vendor member. So these are all the tutors, and you can actually open any tutor and manage the user information and change password, approve, disapprove, log them out, and so on. And then all the buyers are on the user member group.